Mini Cooper Stage 1.
Came back with a click clack. And a tick, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I ripped out.
Mini Cooper. It's a R56 JCW, John Cooper's work, finished off in this Astro Black. Let's walk around the car. You see it's got the pan roof, the 17-inch alloys, finished off with the red calipers. The kit looks absolutely brilliant. It really suits this car, and the way this car sits, if we come to the side and you see the way this car sits, it sits absolutely lovely. Coming on to the interior, we've got half leather seats. We've got the big dash in the middle, and it is a 6-speed manual as well. So let's talk about the heart of this car. It's a 1.6, believe it or not, a 1.6 4-cylinder petrol engine. It's got a few mods. It's got this little cute ram air induction kit. The little turbo is underneath here. It's got forged silicone hoses. It's also got a stage 1 remap. I believe it's had an upgraded clutch, and it's pushing out 230 brake horsepower. It's also got a Cobra decal, which obviously you've heard at the beginning of the video, but I will show it you again and make you listen to it. Right, so like always, we're going to take you out on a test drive and see. And first thing we notice straight away is the way this car sounds. So that Cobra exhaust slash decal. It is drony, but let's open it up and see. Quick, I'll have to give it that. I think that map, the stage 1 remap, has actually brought this car back to life. Right, so let's talk about how this car sounds and drive. So you've heard how it sounds. I think it sounds absolutely brilliant. Obviously I've opened the pan roof just to really hear the exhaust note and also the induction kit. It handles like a go-kart. The suspension is tight, the gear changes are short and excellent. It does get compared to the Type R. It is quick, and that's because of, like I said, the remap. Standard, I'm sure it's pushing 197 if I'm correct. Obviously this is pushing 230 with the map, and it's a fun car to drive. It is very quick. The throttle response is brilliant, and I'll let you enjoy the rest of this drive. I'll drop it here. Right, so obviously the Mini Cooper, we all know, is a very small car, but I've got to say it actually goes like a rocket. It drives like a rocket. The 1.6 engine isn't a massive engine, but I think the remap has helped it and has actually brought the car back to life. And I think with all the upgrades and modifications it's got, it's actually done, it's all worked perfectly. It's like a jigsaw. Once you put a jigsaw together, perfect picture. I think that is this Mini Cooper. And like I said to you, it's the only thing to say and describe this car is it's like a go-kart. So what I'm going to do, let's talk about the interior of this car. Obviously it's got cruise control, it's got heated seats, it is well spec, but there is a lot of plastic trims around obviously the dash, and I think it does make it look a bit cheap. Yes, it's a John Cooper's work, but I think they could have spec'd it better. Obviously it looks brilliant from the outside, the wheels, the kit, it absolutely, you know, you can't knock it for the looks of this car, but I think interior wise it could have been a lot better. Right, okay, so this little monster, John Cooper's work. What can I say about this car? I think it's a really nippy, fast car. Like I said, we've compared it to a go-kart. I think it absolutely looks brilliant. These lights here, fog lights or whatever, fog lights plus. Like I said, the Astro black paint it's got, the way it looks, the full kit. Obviously all this is from factory. It's not been put on. But yeah, it's a really good car, but it's not a car that I would have. I think I'd have a Type R over this, to be honest. But other than that, it's a very good looking car. I'll give it 10 out of 10 for looks. Driving wise, it is nice, but it's not something like I said I'd have. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the review there. It was fun reviewing this car, and hats off to everybody who's got one of these. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, and I will see you on the next video.